local area emergency for the San Francisco Bay Area. This message is transmitted at the request of the San Francisco Police Department. An unusual situation is happening in the San Francisco Bay Area. Police are receiving reports of a blue robot, approximately 4 feet tall and known as RobotBoy, who is traveling with 3 juveniles identified as Tommy, Gus, and Lola. The group was last observed near the Embarcadero Plaza heading north toward Fisherman Wharf. Their intentions are unknown at this time. Residents in San Francisco and surrounding communities are urged to remain indoors and lock all exterior doors and windows until further notice. Do not approach RobotBoy or the children if you encounter them. Instead, immediately call 911 with a description of your location and any details that may assist responding officers. This message will be updated as additional information becomes available. Repeat, this is a local area emergency for the San Francisco
The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Francisco Police Department. This is an update to the local area emergency that was issued 25 minutes ago. The robot and the children, identified as RobotBoy, Tommy, Gus, and Lola, have turned hostile and are now considered armed and dangerous. They were last located in the Embarcadero Plaza and traveling north to the Fisherman's Wharf. Do not approach the group under any circumstances. If you spot any of these individuals or the vehicle, immediately call 911 and provide your exact location. Residents and businesses between 3rd and 9th Streets, from Market to Folsom, should shelter in place until further notice. Keep all doors and windows secured, turn off exterior lights, and remain indoors. The San Francisco Police Department, in coordination with the California Highway Patrol, continues to track their movements. This message updates and supersedes the advisory issued earlier. A further update will follow as soon as additional information becomes available. Civil danger warning for the San Francisco Bay Area. The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Francisco Police Department. This is an official civil danger warning for all residents and visitors in the San Francisco Bay Area. Unidentified individuals known as Tommy, Gus, and Lola have begun deliberately destroying both public and private property, including electrical substations, water mains, transportation networks, and communication lines. In addition, an anonymous entity referred to as RobotBoy has been observed biting and injuring members of the public. These actions represented an immediate threat to life, safety, and critical infrastructure. Everyone in the affected area should remain indoors and secure all exterior doors and windows at once. Do not attempt to confront or engage Tommy, Gus, Lola, or RobotBoy under any circumstances. If you observe any suspicious activity or encounters involving these subjects, call 911 immediately and provide your exact location, a brief description of the individuals or the robot, and any details of their actions. Law enforcement and emergency personnel are actively responding to contain and neutralize these threats. Further instructions will be issued as the situation develops. Stay tuned to local media outlets or official social media channels for updates. Repeat, avoid all contact with Tommy, Gus, Lola, and RobotBoy, and report any sightings to 911 without delay.
Administrative message for the San Francisco Bay Area. The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Francisco Police Department. Tommy, Gus, Lola, and RobotBoy have left the San Francisco Bay Area. That means the local area emergency that was issued at 7 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, the law enforcement warning issued at 7:25 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, and the civil danger warning issued at 7:45 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time are cancelled. Residents and visitors may now resume normal activity.